What the fuck? Ah, okay. Let's get the link for my blog. Don't forget. Okay, let me get the stream link first of all. Right here. Yeah, good. Yeah. Let's go. So yeah, today I want to do VM executable. Doesn't look too big. Looks like there's two string X's. And okay, there's a script object here. And then a bunch of zeros. Oh, this is quite big. I guess it's not that big, to be honest. Okay, it's really doable. Preserve all star of... This is from string X, right? No stash open. Okay, whatever. So, VM executable. Something I didn't look yesterday was to do. Okay. So there's this thing that I don't know what it is. It looks like the copy constructor. Gotta be honest. And they look like copy constructors. Okay. As long as the size is fine, I'm not. We have executable link. Where did I get this name though? What? Ah. Okay, whatever. So I suppose these are the VM executables. Wait, I didn't do this guy. Script manager link though. Ah, okay. Wait, already. Now I'm confused. Maybe I should do script manager first of all. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this looks like good one to do. Alrighty. Oh yeah, this explains why I didn't do it. Debugging, please remove. I don't think I will. Console enable. No idea. So, okay, it doesn't work like that. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot to start my ID. So how many script manager functions I have implemented? None. I have 0. Okay, that scares me. Okay, class script, okay. It exists below. Oh, it's super low in the file. Script object run. Okay, it's even lower than this. Like script manager. Okay, and that. Let's just blindly copy paste stuff, right? It should just work. Script manager, script manager. My god, so much code. I can basically just copy paste all of this code. It should work out of the box. Bam. So yeah, this guy. So what I do? Unresolved, but find func by. Oh. Ah, that's script object. Huh. Text file. Check callings. Okay. Hmm. That's what I do. So text file. Where? Yeah. Okay, now check all in. Check all in. Okay, this one. Okay, this should help a lot. Dump threads. Dump threads. Yeah, right here. Okay, whatever. Still script dump. I don't think that will be necessary to do. So it should probably be these SLC map. Yeah, okay, exactly. This guy. So I need to make script object and oh wait, let me just create some work items for me. So script object, text file. There's the text file. What's the other that needs to be done? SLC manager. Okay. So I was creating here work items for me. So I know what to prioritize. SLC script update. Okay, perfect. This guy. So git diff. Nice. So let's go into script manager first. Okay. An object. Interesting. So where is script manager called? World dynamic system or so link should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So around here we should. Yeah, looks like. I'm assuming it's this one. So let's just call it this and see whether it's actually the proper one. Yeah, it seems to be the proper thing. Get lang file name. Good. This one is a little mysterious. It doesn't look like that. So where is find object used? Game load this level. Common preload. Okay. This is a good one. So this is the find objects. It's this guy. Okay, so it was. Yeah, this looks fine. Clear, script manager destroy, and I guess it got in line here, the destroy thingy. Yeah, this looks fine. Plus 52. This here, it's okay. If I put it as int pointer 13. Well, at least the offsets seem to kind of match. Constructor, and this is the constructor of script manager. I'd say, yeah, looks like it. So if I go here, I can even identify more functions. Oh. What is this? So I'm not making, I will try to not make it bigger than it needs to be. Seems to go until 44, okay. Do I have validation for it? No. Okay. Thanks. I really wanted the man page for that. Jesus Christ. Yeah, signaler. Validate script manager and patch. Why did it? What key did I hit? That's. Why is it going to the top? For fuck's sake, man. Runtime patches. Game patches. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Patch script manager. Fine. Um. So script object. Okay. Used. Oh my fucking god! I have no idea what's going on with Vim today. What kind of? I have no idea what the fuck is going with Vim. And it created a new file. I swear to God, man. Okay, whatever. So script manager. Maybe should start with this one looks fine, the find object, right? It looks like a good one to start with. Should start with smaller functions, like find object looks a good one. Call my name. Okay. Let's see whether this looks fine. No, it doesn't look. There's too many differences. Hey, yo. This looks really good. Looks really, really good. All the logic that when you call find adds. All good. Good. Okay, this looks really good. Okay. But before that, I want to script objects by name. Okay. Let's add validation to this guy. So validate size, script manager. Looks fine. Interesting. So, oh wait, I didn't save this. That's why nothing happened. Okay, this is what I was expecting. A 20. Huh. Okay. Oh. Alrighty. So, coolio. Oh, here's the link. So, find object. Okay. It's the name of the thing. Script objects by name. Okay. So this is the script objects. Just a list of objects, I guess. Mm-hmm. What? Okay. Alrighty. What about this thing? What's going on here? Alrighty. Hmm. Ah, script object link. Ah, it calls script object link. Ah. Okay, so this might be the issue. Okay, I was going crazy. Wait, did I commit this stuff already? I did. I did. Two. Yeah, looks more like what's going on here. But link. Okay. Yeah, this looks amazing. So link. Nice. So here we go. And of course, don't forget to name this guy here. Uh, that looks really good, but where's that render meter thing? Let me take a look at this guy. Run. Ah, okay. Game run load. What? Okay. This is incorrect. So let's fix this. This call. Yeah, this looks good. Okay. Ah, much better. It looks quite, simple. Loading screen. Yeah. Yeah, this looks exact. Game run loading screen. We should actually have more of this. Game render load meter. Okay, that's fine. What was the name? Script manager run. Yeah. Okay, that I know of. Alrighty. Difference here. So script run instance script object instance. I cannot do this guy because of that VM thread bullshit. Or oh yeah, it's because I create a new thread, right? Or no? This kind of sucks. Whatever. Script manager. S-threads. Okay, I guess this is... Oh, no, this is the dump. No one uses this. Can leave this for another time. Yeah, this looks like this. Mm-hmm. This guy. Maybe I choose the wrong one. Wait, okay. What the fuck? They are all exported, so what's the deal? Oh my god, I mean... okay, a script manager S-threads, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, it's... doesn't... Okay, this one doesn't seem to be used, for fuck's sake. What is used, though? Yeah. I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. So maybe I should go into script object then. Sure, there's a way to filter most of these stupid things here. Do I have code for script object? That is, wait a moment. I go to class, script object. This guy, of course. Of course. Not sure why these are not exported. So create auto instance. Oh my god. Okay, this is you. That's why I could not see this. Ah, here we go. Okay, export. Okay, now this is really good. Okay, I don't know. I'll just export this and export this too. Alrighty, now it explains quite a bit. Past builds. Do. It looks like so script object run. Let's threads. Yeah, this looks really good. A thread. Ah, that's how I got into the error context stuff. Okay, fine. Instance looks like it's done. Okay, it's wrong. Oh, wait, this is not wrong. Add instance, this guy. Ah, okay. Perfect. I need to add the error context stuff, to be honest. I don't know how that is missing, and I put it as okay. What? Did I close the other tab? Okay, no. Script object, add instance. Yeah. Char. Okay, it's this guy. Instance. No. For fuck's sake, add instance. Script object. Okay, add instance. Alrighty. So the problem with this guy is that I need a error context. So not this guy, but the other one. Ah, fuck! I opened the wrong file. So so I just need to do push context, which is a string, and then pop context right at the end. Okay, that's fine. So the error context, this guy, inst push context, and then the pop context right over here. And pop context, fine. What is the push context that it's doing? A2. Nice. So it's pushing the argument that it gets. So it's pushing inst name and constructor params buffer. Inst name and constructor params buffer. I don't think. Okay, so script object instance. This guy. Good. Error context. Okay, I need to include error context. Cannot open not in current directory. That's crazy. I'll swear it is in the current directory. Okay. Oh, nice comment. I ran into upset with my Spider-Man game with the webs. I've been real busy with my YouTube editing. I really want to get back and come up with a solution. So you've hit a problem with yeah, I really don't know how to help you on that end. But yeah. I don't know, I've never done a game where one of the car mechanics was buggy. From what usually, you know, one of the easiest way to work around these issues is just define levels or design the whole game around, you know, that constraint. And then you can just make your life 10 times easier. Error context push. Yeah, okay. So the push. So popcorn. No, that's the thing. This push context seems to be. Yeah, I also don't like it. So let's just do this and put it here. Yeah, error context, nice. And yep, this looks right. Unresolved symbol, push context. What? Ah, yeah, I did not save this guy. But yeah. In a way, it was all better when games were shittier, because every new mechanic was innovative. But now everyone knows what can be done, so they think it's a setback if you cannot achieve that. Okay, okay. This looks good. Has no constructor instance script object. And it creates a VM thread. Fuck. Create auto instance. Yeah. Yeah, VM thread seems to permeate all of this shit. Okay. So maybe I should go back to VM executable, which I was trying to avoid, but now it looks like it's the movie, but maybe I should consider it. Yeah. I know. It used to be that developers will set the constraints that people tell the story of the game would have to follow, but that has kind of switched somehow. You know, I have some kind of controversial topic opinion, which is I don't find, you know, web swinging in the new Spider-Man, you know, the Insomnia games, you know, that special. I really like the Ultimate Spider-Man web swinging. And yeah. VM, fuck man, it's VM executable. What is this? String concatenator stuff going on. And a bunch of functions not being used. And there's this random ass thing here. Wait a moment. Oh, look at this. Okay, link. Wait, it ends here. VM link. Okay, this is a function. Yeah. And VM executable is not that special, and somehow it's giving me a headache. Okay, so it's, oh fuck, I hate when it's serial in. So hard to find this. Oh, it's the same place where there's a VM symbol. That's sweet. No, this guy for sure. Yeah, there's VM symbol. Yeah. So we have VM symbol here. There's a loop where we should have, yeah, it's this guy over here, VM executable. 3C. So VM executable should be 3C. Ah, beautiful. Finally. VM executable. Yeah, this. Why is it? Oh, fuck, not this, the other one. Yeah, this guy. Ah, okay. Yeah, on reset. Interesting. Alrighty. Yeah, okay. This makes much more sense now. Did you go to school to learn? I thought about doing streams to learn further, but I don't know. I'll give extra motivation. I agree that. So I learned the program before I went to university. In university, they did teach us C++, but it's basically C with classes. So the problem with C++, it's not really a problem, is that there's this thing called modern C++, where modern C++ looks a lot like languages like Zig or Rust, if you can say that. And you see, until C++ 98 or 2303, it more looks like C with a bunch of extensions on top. And, you know, since this game was released in 2002, I don't have any modern C++ features. So I'm just piggybacking off my C knowledge. Yeah. And, yeah, it's a little weird. Like, I like the new Spider-Man games, but people put too much emphasis on the swinging. I really like Ultimate Spider-Man. The first game, I really like the story. Like, the game is really good. But then it started pissing me off with the DLCs. The enemies got super hard. And, what was the other things? Miles Morales, the game was fine, but man, the story was fucking annoying. And yeah, I haven't played 2. I know it's on PC, but I don't really give a shit. I know that you can only play with Venom for a very small amount of time. So, and every time people got to play with Venom in free roaming, Insomniac patched that. It's super funny. Think about that. Get name. I agree with you. Yeah, I'll just recommend you to I don't know, just do stuff with like if you're not using C++ for anything, it's really hard for you to, you know, learn the language. That's the top one. Yeah, this guy. Okay, finally I got to VM executable. But what you see on this stream, it's mostly, it's the opposite. It's, you know, reverse engineering. It's not really, I don't think you can learn C++ from these streams. I don't think I do anything. Ooh, okay, there's these friends. Yeah. Yeah, let's just copy these couple functions. Bam. Nice. So vector undeclared identifier. Vector G world pointer. Where is it? G world string ID. Okay. I'll need to look into this later on to do. Let's return a value. Okay. Return 69. And thanks for I don't mind learning. Yeah, like I learned C because I wanted to do stuff with it. I wanted to, you know, I had a PSP and I find it surprising how people could modify the firmware to change the version string. So instead of just adding software, they were actively modifying. And then the people were publishing the source code of the plugin that was doing that, and it was C. So I looked at that, learned, and I still couldn't figure it out. But I would come back to it every once in a while. Okay, this looks like too much. You see? Yep. This looks really good. Oh my god. I'm so happy they didn't touch VM executable. But this then begs the question. This, that. What I need to do... Oh, no. Where's... It's this guy, yeah. You know, there's this guy that sometimes I watch, which is Jonathan Blow. Like, he's known for his hot takes but just watching him work, he has this very systematic approach to work, how he does stuff. So that's one of the reasons why I really like I it's not that I listen to him, it's that more that I follow how he works. That makes sense. Like every time he goes on stream, he knows what he wants to do, and he knows how to approach it, and he has put thought into what he's gonna do. And the way he debugs, like his profiling and debugging streams are really cool. The way that he ensures code quality. I don't follow everything he does, but it's really good to see a more non-dogmatic approach to software that I don't often see. Ooh, VM. Oh, that's interesting. And yeah, okay. Let's patch VM executable. Like every time people ask him for advice, he will just give a snarky response. Because, you know. Oh my god, my explorer died. Why? Why did my explorer die? But I kind of understand. At the end of the day, you just need to do stuff. And yeah, that's basically it. The more you do, the more you learn. Okay, let's do something wrong here. So I was not validating VM executable? Really? Validate VM executable. Oh, I was validating VM executable. Okay, that's good to know. Okay. Yeah, this looks fine. So let's just add your VM executable rules. Let's just do a small copy. And let's start the debugger. And also, yeah, Casey Muratory. I really like his rant on Visual Studio. People don't know how bad modern software is. Every year, where fault gets thread context 31. What does that even mean? I don't know, but it's provocative. Last chance exception. What? So find object looks like it's script manager. Find object. Why are you failing? I don't want to debug stuff now. Oh, I see what's the problem here. uh, uh, okay, this is kind of embarrassing. And yeah, okay, that should have been easy to spot just looking at it. Man, I don't live in a residential area. I have lots of businesses close to me, and which is cool on the weekends, which is basically dead. But my god, there's like a SoundCloud rapper that turned one of the things into a studio, and he doesn't know what sound isolation is. He usually comes after lunch at the weekend just to record a bunch of music. So I'm getting here VM executable rules. Oh, I killed the music complete. Bye, Al. Okay. You. Oh. So I can do this if I'm swinging. Okay, that's interesting. Nice, sweet. There we go. Okay, this is working. I just attach the debugger to see if the game doesn't crash on exit, which is something that you know, if a program is quitting, you cannot really tell whether it's quitting gracefully or just dying. Some people will say that it doesn't really matter if the program crashes on exit, and I understand where they are coming from. Its status. At the same time, the game did not crash on exit before, so okay. VM executable, VM executable, executable. My name. So I should definitely. So the size of VM executable now I know is 3C, right? So where is it? Where is this guy? Yeah, I need some music. I don't. It only happens for a couple hours, but you know, It's. I live in such a chill area, and then hearing like drill rap, like it's weird. It's weird. Like it's like the white kid in the suburbs making beats. I don't know. Da-da-da-da. And I think the guy was called out a couple times because of stuff that happened. Ooh, this looks good too. So I have no idea the name of the variables. I should definitely start naming these guys. So let's take this. And because of this guy, I learned that how noise ordinances work, which is in most places, if it's not off hours, you're free to pollute the airspace with noise. It's kind of crazy, but okay, so what's the 14 though? It's a good point. So I have until full name, then I have params list, validate VM executable, parameters. So parameters, it's a list, which I think it's only 4. So it's here. Parm stack size, it's definitely 14. And the next one, static func. Let's say this is 18. And the next one, linked, should be 19. Oh no. I already have those, so wait. Parameters. It's a vector. 20, really? Oh, wait, yeah, full name. Oh, fucking heck. You're right. So that's 8, so that goes for 18. Okay, this is here. Static func, so linked should be 25, I guess. Okay, this looks fine. Yeah, it's just, I think he finished this session. We got 25 linked. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, okay. Let's use actually this list. I should go back to snip paste, but now IDE uses Shift F1 for. So 14 is parameters. Parameters. What is this going down here? What is that tomfoolery going down there? The size should be 3C. Right? Or 2C. If they are, yeah, 3C. If they are stuck, they are located in the heap, it's such a nice feeling because I get to know. Mm-hmm. Okay, it actually is 3C. So there's buffer, LAN. So that's. Oh, wait, there's even string. Completely missed that guy. So that goes here. It looks fine. Ta-da. One of the things that I started to do over time is to do more atomic commits because it lets me understand why I did something. And I'm also streaming so I can catch more bugs. Is that the console? Isn't of it? Huh? What do you mean the console version isn't on PC? Sorry. Ah, no, but I'm not. Wait. I'm working on the first one, not on the second one, though. I'm not working on the Spider-Man 2 PS2. The Spider-Man 1, man. I, I, I gotta be honest. I don't really care that the game is not on PC. Emulators are really good. I seriously don't understand why people disregard emulators. Emulators offer a reliable experience in multiple operating systems. When a game runs on Wine, I'm usually surprised that it runs. Where I should have. But you can use this code that I'm creating to reverse engineer the second game, because it was only released 2 years after, so I don't think they, had the time to redo a bunch of stuff, and hopefully they didn't if they are smart. Okay, let's. They look so nice. Let's just do this. Okay, so it's easier to compare. What is that thing doing though? It made nothing than the original with the control. I feel web swinging is better on combat than but I could be. I don't know how you could. You know, it was definitely made for console. I can't imagine doing the jump mechanic on the keyboard. It doesn't look as comfortable, but so there's a mem copy going. Looks like the mem copy was not in line at all. And the funny that mem copy was not in line. Do they call this much more time? Did the game override mem copy? Because this is usually an intrinsic. Hmm. It was not in line here. Okay, whatever. It's a mem copy, I should not cry about it. It looks a little weird, I gotta be honest. But that but the game was, you know, originally made for the console, so I will not be surprised that if it feels better on console. I never finished the game, so huh. Hmm. This one I'm on the fence about though. It's never used. Okay, it's never used, so I'm not going to stress about it. So since it's never used, I can have more leeway. Where is the other guy? Okay, right here. Yeah, this looks more my cup of tea. Who's up in the van? What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, much better. Yeah, exactly. Hmm. 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 So this looks like the clear. Ah, build full name. Okay. I remember I saw something like this around here. It was above link. Yeah, above link. It was, yeah, right here. This guy. Okay. Take a look at this. Okay, the size looks fine. Could be the same for. I might test it out on the. Wait. You mean same web swinging or same engine? The swinging is not the same as Ultimate Spider-Man, which a lot of people are pissed about still to this day. People don't seem to understand the difference of different games, different mechanics. So build full name. Okay, can do this. Bam. Perfect. Okay. Mm-hmm. To-do. Yeah, cannot do this one yet, sadly. So this should be clear. Come on. This should be clear. It's not used anywhere. For fuck's sake, man. I, it gets hard when it's always this thing. This buffer. underscore destroy. Oh yeah, let's take a look here. Clear. Where is this used? Not even a free? That's crazy. Yeah, the buffer seems to just be set to 0. Ah, it makes sense. It makes sense. This new stuff is a little weird. It's never used, so don't use. Scary. I take this out, right? Uh, hmm. I I don't know. The problem with decompiling a PlayStation game compared to a PC game is that you need to learn how disks work. So, and when I say that is how to fetch data from a disk, that's something that you usually don't know in this day and age, right? Because it's such a thing that you don't need to do at all. It's one of the small things that I'll say. What are LBAs and stuff like that, and this is just one small detail that I'm talking about. So PS2 stuff, probably the Xbox version will be a little easier. It's x86, so it's closer to the PC assembly. And I think you can install it on the hard disk of the Xbox, so that makes it slightly easier. Oh, nice. So this is clear. That's one small detail. Also, learn how to do graphics for those consoles. Like, you cannot just walk in and do whatever you want. Not a big deal if this is too much different, but no, I have a typo. So decompiling or reverse engineering something, it's just not about, it's not simply just about okay. So you need to know the platform that you're targeting. That's what I want to say. I guess it's like this. Yeah, it's like that. The same thing that when people reverse engineer N64 games, they need to know how to read stuff from a cartridge. And you know, one of the advantage of decompiling or reverse engineering PC games is that you know, it's usually reading from a disk, or which is stuff that you'll learn in any class, if that makes sense. Hmm. Hmm. What is that? Fuck, I always forgot how do they zero that thing. That's in, is here hard to recompile. Pfft. Everything is hard to recompile. I don't see something is easy. Yeah, this thing of setting everything to null, it's something that I don't see much. So let me just do a quick search in the code. Yeah, I don't think will get it to match to a T. So they do clear and resize, not the other way around. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay, I'll give it. Okay, matching. Okay, git commit. But yeah, as time moves on, like knowing how to interact with a DVD player or a game cartridge loader and stuff, it's not easy acquirable skill if you're not developing homebrew. Okay. Partial matching. Size doesn't nullify most fields. Wherever you are. Clear. Clear. Nice. Oh yeah, now I need to just do... Yeah, if I keep it empty, what will it look like? Okay, that's very nice. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So what do you need to do here? And I don't think there's the underscores. Yeah, clear. Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah, looks, yeah, okay. Now since I already called delete on those things. Hmm. Am I too dumb? Oh, it's like here. Yeah, okay. Some weird in line. Okay. Not matching STL stuff. I'm not too concerned about this not matching, so what can I do? Yeah. So, yeah, this guy. Oh, wait. Ask this guy over here. Okay, let's see how well did this do. Okay, copy. Ah, shit. I added a new file on accident. It's Dutch. RM. I need to be very careful. Nice, okay. Yeah. Wait, I didn't build it yet. Okay, now it's built. So, copy. Nice. So VM executables, let's see how well the first chance exception. Oh, yo. Okay. I do have a bug. Ah. What? Where's the build full names? What? Wait, okay. Let's see what broke it. Okay, build it, copy. Now I just ran it. Okay, this looks fine to be honest. So, what? Wait. Oh yeah, I can move the camera. I forgot about this. Did okay. Weird, weird, weird. Yeah, appreciate the kind words, man. So, could it be build full name that is causing problems? Could it be? So we know that the constructor works. So let's just do this and then understand the problem. Yeah, but who calls build full name, right? Hmm. Indeed, indeed. Who the fuck calls build full name? What? That's fine. And copy. Start the game. Yeah. Yeah, it just works fine. So it's literally build full name, but who the fuck calls it and why? So, yeah, this looks fine. Uh, ah. Okay, maybe. I shouldn't be so hasty. Executable, okay. And it looks... What's the problem then? Mm, need to fit... Oh, what? No. Oh, God. Okay, whatever. I'll work that out. Add this. Whatever. Committed that shit. Okay, nothing. Okay, so what? Wait. I think I know what's. Oh my god, I'm such a fucking idiot. Book. So full name, C string. Good. That's why it was going to that place. I thought the stack was corrupted. Something much funnier. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be used. Oh shit. Okay, all good. Oh, that breaks him out of the thing. Okay. That's fucking weird. No. Okay. All good. And it just exits normally. Uh, so editor. This is the first time that I need to do the opposite and do this. Git log. Para. Yeah. I'm happy with this guy. Yeah, script objects. Maybe I can look into CLC manager next stream. Let's see, let's close this guy and look into this guy. CLC manager. Yeah, it doesn't look hierarchy. Fine, makes sense. Destroy, makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. So let's save these guys and upload git push. And I need, okay, let's run the validator, all good. Python backup we're having with the game for Netrey with mine. I haven't tried a couple weeks. So, so crashes in the X window. That's an interesting one. I reported the bug to the X window that it randomly made Spider-Man 2000 crash. And it just went away naturally. I think it's a problem with the Windows and the X window, like a combination of both. That makes sense. If the game always, so if it worked at a certain point and it stopped, it's most likely Windows being funny. Like there was a super recent 25H2 or H1 update. Yeah, was it 25H2 Bromine? Yeah, Bromine update. This fucking update. Fuck. Okay. Is really good. I'll leave this to another day. I'm happy with this. As the backup worked. Yeah, it's just finished. And yeah, 37 seconds. Okay. Mine never made it past the intro. Okay. Ultimate doesn't have the issue. Or... okay. So you can always go to the DX window forums on SourceForge. So you can... oh, whoa. Whoa. Now there's a page. What? About us? Download and install. Wait, this looks fake as fuck. This looks fake as fuck. What is this? About us, features, guide. Where the fuck is the download? Download and install. Am I fucking stupid? Ah, download now. It's right here. The X window. What? Who created this WordPress page? This looks fake as fuck. Yeah, this is the DX window page. I have no idea who those guys are. But hopefully you downloaded from here and not from that shady ass place. Here it is. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, it's this guy, Gothic. So they have the support. Yeah, here. If you go here and ask the guy for help, you can... Like, the guy always, like, he's super active. If you want help with the X window, just ask this guy. Like, he's super approachable. But what the fuck is this DX window.com about us? Does it even mention Gothic? These guys just stole the fucking name and put a copyright notice on it. And there's a WhatsApp 44. Is that India? Or for a country code? No, it's UK. Okay. That doesn't mean it's not an Indian guy. Emma Watson official 54. What the fuck is this? This is definitely some shit. Yeah, this page is weird. I don't know who made this, but like even the about us, we are a team of passionate software developers. You're not a team. Who the fuck created this shit? Rupesh Devi. Yeah, this is an Indian guy. Rupesh Devi. Man, I knew it was some fucking Indian trying to make money. God damn it. Man, they should be reported to Google. Rupesh Devi. Fucking heck, man. Yeah, Emma Watson official. My god. Okay. Yeah. I need to go out and buy some stuff. And yep, I think we are on a good point. I'll maybe make a new release of open-tobey when I finish most of these guys. Because yeah, I think it will make more sense. Crystal Rose. No man, it's weird. People squatting. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. I'd like to wish everyone a nice evening. And yeah, so wait, I just remembered. Before you go, don't forget to go to my blog. And yeah, go to my blog and learn more about this. And yeah, have a nice one. See ya.